How to upload images to Mailchimp. So I am inside the Mailchimp dashboard, and right here I will simply click on content. Then we have to go to my files from the left hand side, and you can see uploads, and we have this option to upload by pressing on this button. If we click on upload, it will load up our computer's files, and we can choose the file location and upload it through this way. Now that was one way of how we can upload images to Mailchimp. Another way is by going directly into our campaigns and editing a campaign that we have selected right here. Now if I design the email, go to content and design the email, then this will load up my email template, and I'm going to show you how I can add an image. So for example, right here I have this option for image, or if I click anywhere else, you should be able to see the option again for image. If we just drag it and drop it right here, then we can add either by browsing images and it will load up the image that we just uploaded, or we can directly upload it from here. Again, same way, upload, and then if we drag and drop it, then it will have successfully added it. So I hope this helps you out. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.